In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable graphics acceleration in Google Chrome step by step, so you can quickly turn this feature on for better performance or turn it off if you're troubleshooting crashes, black screens, video issues, or high GPU usage. Graphics acceleration, also called hardware acceleration, lets Chrome use your GPU to help with videos, animations, web apps, and graphics rendering, which can make browsing feel smoother on many computers. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. From the drop-down, click Settings. This will take you to the Chrome settings page where you can manage performance and system options. On the left side of the settings page, click System. This is where Chrome keeps the settings related to how it uses your computer's hardware and performance resources. Now look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. This is the setting that controls Chrome's hardware acceleration feature. If you want to enable graphics acceleration, simply toggle the switch on. When this setting is turned on, Chrome can use your graphics card to help improve performance in supported areas. If you want to disable graphics acceleration, toggle the switch off instead. Turning it off can be useful if Chrome is acting unstable, if pages are glitching, or if you're seeing display problems while browsing or streaming video. Disabling it may also help if you notice your GPU is being overworked. After you change the setting, Chrome will prompt you to relaunch. Click Relaunch so the browser can restart and apply the change properly. This step is important because the new setting will not fully take effect until Chrome restarts. Once Chrome opens again, your graphics acceleration setting will be updated and ready to use. And that's it. You now know how to enable or disable graphics acceleration in Google Chrome. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial.